Are you just gonna bathe yourself?
She's bathing in catnip. What she's doing? She's going to the toy now.
The toy is soaked in it. You little fat ass.
It's funny how it does cat that way.
She looks like a little. She rubbed her face on the ground.
I like how she was scooting her face.
I know, with her ass in the air. I wonder why it makes them roll around like that.
Here goes Lucy. Lucy!
Anna's kind of nuts with that shit, ain't she?
She's just watching her like, what the hell?
She's like, what's your problem? She's like, you must have taken something else.
You can see Lucy watching her.
There's Miss Lucy. She looks so retarded over there.
You can get some more on the floor over here so I can see her scoot her ass.
Yeah, go get more catnip. I'll find it. I'll go get it.
That's right over here.
Look at the pretty little boy. Oh.
It's Mr. Fudge.
Is your fat rubbing on the ground, cutie?
Look how cute he is.
He's so sweet.
Look at
He's
you.
so much cuter with his hair like that.
Look at you.
He's so cute.
All right, let's get. I'm not gonna spray you with it. Don't you worry.
Pretty boy.
That's good.
Okay. Look at the baby. All right. Go over there. Wherever I sprayed it. Where did I spray it?
Right in that square
Right here?
block, yeah.
What?
The hell?
Anna just mewed.
Oh, they're kissing.
Ew. Over here.
Throws up her humping on a toy.
Uh-oh. Let me see. Oh, she's walked past it. She didn't do anything. Get in and set her on the spot.
Yeah, go get. I have a camera
Oh,
in
there
my
she is.
hand.
There's, she got it. There she goes. She's licking it. Look.
Oh shit. Look.
Fucking lightweight.
Look. Nutcase.
Look. I want to see her scream.
I know. Squish your face up against the ground.
God.
She's like banging her head off against the floor. Watch her here. She might do it in a second. Where she scoots her face. No. Oh, no, she's gonna do
She was
it.
so close.
Oh. See?
Funny.
And there goes Lucy, the superior one.
Look, oh, look.
You see her crawl?
I'm gonna have a headache in a little bit.
She's gonna have a hangover. Come on, dude. Like, squish your face up against the ground.
I think it's like all over her.
Uh-huh. She's silly.
That was it. She looks like a fucking caterpillar.
Look at them roly-poly. Look at her. She's biting her own tail. Look. She was grabbing her own tail by
You are silly.
Oh my god.
You crazy girl.
Okay.
Trying to attack the floor.
Yeah.
She's like, come here, bitch.
It's like, bitch, you're going down.
We're having paw marks on the freaking floor. Look.
She's like, she's fucking possessed.
Right. Look. Look.
She just crawled.
Look, she's biting her own tail. Look. She
Take it out your tail, dumbass. Bite it real hard.
She moves like a freaking. She's hunting.
She's like, she's on cocaine. She's so hyper.
I like seeing better spray it on the floor than on the toy.
I know. She rubs her face up all against the ground. Here, sniffing for it.
Watch her fall over.
You're silly. God.
Is there
look at
something? Are you chasing something on the ground that we don't see?
her. Get it, baby. Get it, honey.
That's my foot.
Oh, watch out, she fights hard.
She didn't. I think she got tired.
No.
Whoa. Fucking lightweight.